Think of your customers first before you think of your product. In this video, you'll learn why. For many years now, I served as a volunteer mentor for the Negosyo Center of DTI. Most of the mentees would approach me for advice on how to sell their products. First, let's talk about my mentee, Pilar. Pilar was selling beauty products from one of the popular direct selling companies. But something happened that forced her to stop selling. So to have another way to make money, Pilar thought, why not sell banana chips? She would supply her product to a small local grocery store. And I asked, what's your competitive advantage? When we talk about competitive advantage, it's about the marketing edge your product has compared to those already sold in the market. What does her banana chips have that others don't? What's unique about the product? Pilar said that her banana chips are cheaper. I said, why banana chips? Because that's the only thing I knew how to make mommy in. That's what she answered me. Well, this is where the problem lies. Pilar made her product first and then she tried to sell it. Wrong. You should always start with your buyers. If you start with a product and you don't have willing buyers in a business where many are already selling, you'll be tempted to compete with their price. So Pilar's only competitive advantage was that she was selling her banana chips for the lowest price. Now, when you lower your price, the others are forced to also lower their price as well to sell their products, right? So what happens is that you lower your price even more and all of you could end up getting hurt and losing your business. This is why, with my mentees, we first talk about their business calling. I never ask, what products do you want to sell? Why? Because you're not sure yet what else you are capable of. People aren't always conscious about their capabilities, their talents, their experiences, and the people they know who can support them. These resources will allow you to come up with a business that's uniquely yours. Anyone who desires to have a business has a calling. And once there's a calling, you'll never be content until you heed that calling. So the way to do it is to reflect first on your life. What experiences could possibly point you in the direction to put up a business? Let's use another mentee's experience as an example. Lucy. Lucy has sensitive skin. She has to be choosy with the products she uses. She tried different brands until she finally found one that fits her needs. Unfortunately, soon the brand she uses was no longer available. So instead of looking for another brand, Lucy decided to do research. She experimented until she was able to create her own soap. This made her realize she has the talent for creating handmade soaps that are good for sensitive skin like hers. It's not only the business of making soaps and selling them that will set things out for you to succeed in business. There are other aspects to consider. Lucy's family is sensitive to food as well. They experience allergic reactions to stuff that aren't organic. This is her big why to try out organic products. And thanks to her experience of working in a marketing company, the knowledge she gained helped her a lot in her business. So based on her calling, she was able to combine the idea of creating an organic soap with her marketing experience. And this led her to start a business for people with sensitive skin. See, Lucy didn't sell soap right away. She made a lot of market research first. What problems do people have when it comes to soap? What scents do they want? From there, she found out what solution she can offer to her potential customers. Lucy saw that there are different kinds of customers when it comes to soaps. This helped her identify who her customers are. These are the people who only want organic products. As a result, she realized that there's a business opportunity. So, take these steps to increase your chances of selling your product. Step number 1. Start with your business calling. What's your deepest desire? What are you attracted to? Step number 2. Focus on the type of customers you want to serve. Remember, you cannot cater to every single kind of customer. You must narrow down your target market. Who's the ideal customer you want to buy your product? Step 3. Do market research to find out what your customers want or need. Different people have different wants and needs. So start asking questions. Create a survey or conduct interviews. These market research tools help you understand why people buy and why they don't buy. Dig deeper into what their difficulties are. Step 4. After doing all these, then start thinking about your product. This helps you develop a win-win solution for your customers and your business. Once you know all the information on how to close deals, then you're on the right track. You won't waste time, effort, and money on a product that people might not buy. So don't be like Pilar who started with her product. Be like Lucy who started with her customers. May these words from Jeff Bezos inspire you to do the right thing. He said, taking an idea successfully all the way to the market and turning it into a real product that people care about and that really improves people's lives is a lot of work. See you in the next video.